Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are making money as usual. So I'm currently in Accra for a vacation, and yesterday when I was traveling, like to come to my apartment, I have gotten a setup, and I was able to take that setup on my 100k one step live account with funding pips. So in today's video, I'm going to break down that exact trade I've taken under my 100k account, and I have secured a $800 payout. It's not a lot of money, but as I was traveling, I was just okay to take that $800. But if I held that trade, I would have made maybe far more money. Who knows? So this was that trade I've taken that I have made that $1,400, I think. And I truly, I don't know what gold is doing this week. If you look at this price action, to be honest, if you ask me, I don't know what that is. But at least I was able to get the setup. But not only that, tomorrow I also have another payout from Funding Next. That's gonna be a $10,000 payout. That's my second $10,000 payout. So I'm actually very, very happy. So let me break down the trade really quick before I start talking about something else. So basically, from my weekly call, if you guys don't know, in my mentorship every week I do host a weekly call. So on that my weekly call, what I have here is I have this sort of trend line liquidity here that was expecting price to come and take that liquidity and give me a buy setup. So all I did is I set an alert here and I'm waiting for price to come take this liquidity and give me a buy, right? So as you can see, price came and took the liquidity, and from taking that liquidity, price started giving a buy. But the liquidity wasn't like the whole reason why. The real reason was from the higher time frame. You can clearly see that price been bullish since the daily time frame. You can see that we have a low that gave us a high, price gave us a pullback, and here eventually we're expecting price to buy and create a new high. So this is what I kind of have. Yeah, so now if I come to my lower time frame, this is where I have that trend line liquidity that I was waiting for price to come and take that liquidity and give me a buy. And after the liquidity has been taken, all I did is I went to the lower time frame. That my entry I had without confirmation. As I said, I was traveling, I was inside the bus, and when price came and hit this one, I didn't have like my laptop open for me to do analysis and take it. So I just clicked buy. I put my stop loss a bit like somewhere below this low here. I had like uh what was it, I had like a $500 stop loss, and I had a $2,000 TP. So at this high here, that was like $2,000 TP. So I had like pretty much 4 hour. I think I had like 4 hour, but I didn't close my trade there, and price give it this pullback, start buying. Like price been doing all of this shit, so I end up closing my trade somewhere here, and that was exactly a profit of 1,400 or 1,500. If I held even more, I think I would have made more money, right? I would have made like 2.5k to 3k. But again, you can see it's been how many days, I don't know, price been at the same level. So you can see from here to here, that's well over 2 days that price is ranging. That's, I mean, insane. So yeah, so that was the trade I've taken that made me 1,500, and that is, I'm currently up about 1,000 on that account, so I'm waiting about $800 payout. And this is a one-step account from Funding Pips. So a one-step account from Funding Pips, I'm getting an 80% profit split every Tuesday. And that's what I actually love about Funding Pips, because Funding Pips gives you a weekly payout with 80% profit split, and that's actually pretty awesome. So on Tuesday, today is currently Wednesday, so next Tuesday I'm gonna get my $800 payout, and hopefully I will get another trade and make more money, because 800, it's not that much money for me, but you know, it's weekly payout, so I can get 4 payout in 1 week, and that's actually really, really awesome for me. So I don't think that I need something else. And yeah, as I'm saying, tomorrow I have another payout, so I'm gonna request my fund the next $10,000 payout tomorrow. So that was pretty much it for this week. And as I said, I'm currently in Accra Diamond in the city, and I want to make like video content, make vlog and those kind of things, but here they have like a very, very strict rule, so I'm not like allowed to make videos. And probably this might be my last YouTube video in this place here. So I don't know, maybe if I go to another apartment, maybe I'll make more content for you guys, but here I can't really make live of a forex trader in Accra. I don't think I can do that for you guys. So see you guys on my next video.